Yeah, this is some of the food stash I got today. Boneless herring fillets, Louisiana hot sauce, sardines, and then I got, well, this I got on my food stamps. Mac and cheese and some Chef Boyardee's. Beefaronis. Got 2 of them down there. Got 2 of these chicken Alfredos, and I got cheddar cheese crackers on my food stamps. Now it's beer 30. I'm not an alcoholic, I'm a beeraholic. Ugh. Yeah, I tried putting this in the freezer. It's slightly cold. I should have left it in the freezer. Earthquake. It's semi-cold. Cold enough to guzzle and enjoy it. I was going to get a hit it at the hot button, you just don't stop it. I was going to get a, am I rolling here? Yeah. I'm filming. I was going to get a King Cobra because I'm going to explain really quickly, really soon, why. I was going to get a King Cobra. Trying to get situated. There we go. Now let's shut down. That's right there. There we go. I think that's going to work. Okay. I don't like these glasses. I prefer these instead. By the way, I don't know if you guys heard of Foster Grant. I might thinking about selling these sunglasses. I only like to wear sunglasses on my videos. It's kind of weird. Now I need to be on my A game. Earthquake, 10%. By the way, Sandy's such a drag. Let me know she's okay today. She texted me, so that's good news. It's not my business what she's going through right now. The only thing that matters is that she's okay. And she's alive. The only thing I like about Earthquake, it's higher gravity than King Cobra. King Cobra is only 6%, and it's the same price, $1.19 a pop, but this packs more of a punch. Shout out to Black Metal. I saw a few of your mom's birthday video. I like that video. I like the other one with your uncle, Jonathan. That's pretty cool. Pretty good stuff. And I was with Emil last night. I did 4 videos on my camera, which I'm using now. They were all the first one, the second one, third one, the fourth one being the longest. And Emil was nice and bought me pizza. We shared the pizza. It was fucking good. It was fucking ham and pineapple Hawaiian. It was so fucking good. Domino's rocks. It really does. Their bread bites are fucking awesome. They put like Parmesan garlic and salt and parsley and cheese and Parmesan. Oh, it's so good. You dip it in that ranch and marinara. It's fucking awesome. It's doughy. Cooked. Oh, it's so good. You get 16 of them. I forgot the price on them. I'm paranoid about my phone. I owe Check Smart money. It fucking sucks. I'm behind. I think I'm behind on that. Still trying to find work. Music would be good at this point right now. Maybe some Busta Rhymes or some Bon Jovi, Guns N' Roses, Meatloaf. I don't give a shit. The old music's where it's at anyways. It's new generation. Man. Fucking open these up here. Got these Max pork rinds. That's why I was going to get in King Cobra instead of this, is because even though it was the same price, this is the first time in my life I've ever drank an Earthquake with pork rinds. On all my other videos in the past, I've drank King Cobra with pork rinds, but I've never drank Earthquake with pork rinds. So this will be a first. This is barbecue. They got they red hot salt, vinegar, chili lime, original salt and pepper, and salsa lime flavors. And this comes out of Chicago, Illinois. They smell good. I'm gonna try one. Yeah. Pack some flavor. Called Max. Yeah, pretty good, pretty decent shit in there. You get 5 servings, and yeah, tasty as fuck. I don't think I ever had Max. Maybe I have one time. I don't know. Let me see. I'm paranoid about the email. Always gets on my ass about time here. Let it is what it is. Camera over there. Tits tabs, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. Fuck it. I don't know. Oh. Mercy's sake. Damn. This stuff is brutal. They don't play around this earthquake. You don't want to mess around with this, that's for sure. You don't want none of this if you're squeamish of heart or whatever the hell the word is. I mean, this gets you to where you want to be. Tell you guys. But I like it. It's not too terrible. I mean, it's $1.18. It's cheap. Man. Hell, I don't know if they put sugar in it. I have to taste a little sweetness in it. Oh, that's funny. God, I got a hell of a palate. I guess why I always said I'm on a beer budget with champagne. I have champagne taste on a beer budget because salt, sugar. The third ingredient is sugar, but it doesn't say how much sugar. The little sneaky bastards. That's why I like Hawaiian pizza, ham, and pineapple. Hell fucking yeah. Cheers. Salute. A hint of sweetness goes a damn long way. I fucking open these Slim Jims. I bought this at the part of my food stamps. You get 14 of these Slim Jims for like roundabout like $3 or something like that shit. Slim Jims. Slim Jims go good with about any fucking thing. Have I like stoked you yet? Have I dropped your lower mandible? Your condyles are right here. Maxillary, mandible. Have I dropped your mandible, John, like in woe-ness? Because I'm so fucking spectacular. You guys can't get enough of my stuff. You guys just love what I do. I have to take a break. I have to pause right now. Focus, focus, focus. hard because my nose is stopped up. I hate yoga. I'm not doing yoga. Down this. As King of Can said, liquid courage. Better than that. Because no matter what I do it with pizzazz and I do it with style and debonair. I'm just like beep beep, beep beep. I love the Roadrunner. I'm on point. I'm always on point. I'm right on schedule. And then they did something, a New World Order. And I had a Vietnam vet friend. Oh yeah. I mean, many moons ago. And I like grenades and I like Killian's. His last name was Killian, ironically enough. But you know, he was an awesome dude. They call him Hankster the Prankster, Hankster the Gangster. Old warehouse job. About 15 years ago, to be exact. Closer to probably more like 16 years ago. Maybe possibly 17 years ago when I worked in there. Guy I worked in there. How many of you guys watching this can say you worked with a guy that fought in the Korean War? Huh? Cheers. New World Order. They gotta give us the same damn due respect that we deserve. Because we work hard for our dough and money. Who's that army guy pointing his finger? What will you do? That's what I'm talking about. And I don't care if that's uncouth or dismannerly. I don't give a flying shit or flying rat's ass, because we're all honkies watching this stuff. We're all chiefs, and not enough Indians, too many chiefs, I think. I don't know what the damn saying. But we're all scallywags up in here and chicken shits and jackasses, right? I guess so. Fuck it. Cheers. I'm gonna finish this motherfucker. Beautiful. The end to a good story right there. Oh yeah, tell me about it. Cheers. All the best to you guys. I'll be back.